Happy holidays from Annie the Kinderklown to you and your whole family too. Today I want to make for you something really cute and creative for the holiday. Take a look, watch and see, and you'll thank me later. Okay? You can make some of the same cute and incredibly creative balloons that you have made all year long. But you use the colors of the season, guys. Let's get into it. Using the colors of the season, that's how you get it done. You're making a bubble. This is going to be a wand. Now, we made a rocking horse, so now let's make a wand. Something that can be unisex for both a girl and a boy, and we're going to twist these two together. Shout out to Dale Campbell. I got the inspiration from him, but I just changed it a little to stabilize the balloons for the children so that it could possibly be more supportive with these bubbles in the center. Okay, so now it looks like a heart pretzel. And because we want the boys and girls to know that Jesus loves them, we're twisting it. We're going to make two bubbles at the base. And this is just another way that I am adding my own little twist to the original design. The original design is absolutely fabulous. Nothing wrong with it at all. But I just wanted to play around and do a little something. You make it the season. A seasonal designed by using the colors of the season. If it's Easter, then you use pastel colors. If it's Christmas, then you use red, gold, green, and red and white, and etc. And in 3 minutes, look how extraordinary we have completed that design. And it's a wrist bracelet. Now, these can be made for holiday season or for any occasion at all. And there you have it, guys. The girls love them, and the boys do as well. Have yourselves a very happy holiday season. And this is Annie the Kinderklown saying, happy twisting. Be creative. Bye-bye.